Good morning, YouTube. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you guys are doing great. What we have going on today is we are going to see a new customer today. It is a fast food chain. They are the home of the meats, apparently. You can figure out who that is. And they are complaining because the dining room is really, really cold. Apparently the heater has stopped working. So we're going to head over there and see what they have going on. And I'm going to try to bring you guys along for the ride and show you whatever I can. Hopefully it's something fun. All right, dining room's 57 degrees. So this is an energy management controlled location. So we're have to get up on the roof and see what's going on up there before I call them. And what I'll do is just bypass this thermostat, jump it out at the roof. All right, let's go. All right, guys, here is our unit that is not working. Our inducer is blowing cold air, actually. It's not blowing hot air at all, so we're probably off on, let's have some fun. Let's guess what's wrong with it before I open it up and try to figure out what's actually wrong with it. See if our inducer is blowing. It's probably off on failed ignition or a limit switch. I'm going to guess limit switch. I'm going to say, oh, let's say that belt's broken inside. Just for the heck of it. If our belt's broken or our motor's not running, it's going to turn on a heat mode and then cycle off on a high limit. Hey, look at that. Yeah, that's a good guess. I pulled off this busted belt here. I was looking at our motor pulley. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but right inside this pulley here, we got a pretty good little dip going. It's not terrible. I'm gonna call around and see if anybody has one of these in stock locally. I can just pick it up and swap it out real quick. If not, I'll just have to order one and come back. But always want to look at that. The pulley back there, our drive pulley, our blower pulley rather, looks pretty good. Now, we also, before we go any further, want to check our heat exchanger. I already had the panel off and I already gave it a good look before I turned the camera on. Everything looks fine in there. I don't see any rust spots, any hairline cracks, any suspicious issues whatsoever. So I was just about to head downstairs and start searching for a belt when I realized I should at least check to make sure the unit actually fires up in heat mode before I do anything else. So I cycled power to it. I turned it back on, and I got 4 flashes on my ignition module, or my ignition control board. If we go over here, that means our limit switch is open. Limit switch right back here. It's a resettable limit switch right on the blower housing. So if we go across here, I don't have any continuity. So let's see if we can reset this guy. And it clicked, so we should have continuity now. Yep, there we go. Well, I couldn't find anybody locally that had this motor pulley, so I'm gonna have to order that and quote and come back to install that. But I was able to get a new belt as well as a spare to put in here, so next time they have this issue, whoever fixes it can just pop the spare on there like I could have done today if they would have had a spare inside here. So anyway, since I have to quote to replace that motor pulley, I'm also going to recommend they replace this, what's this called, a high limit or a plenum limit, I think it's called. And that's only based on its condition. The spade ends of it are they're just rusted out. So as well as that limit, I'm also gonna replace this limit back here because it tripped. I'm assuming it probably only tripped once, but you never know. It looks kind of beat up. Terminals are rusted out. It's all covered in gunk and whatnot, so we're going to replace that as well as a preventative measure. I'm going to fasten this cover down before I go and clean up some of this wiring, zip tie it all like it should have been. See, that's my issue. For some reason, it shuts itself off after a few minutes. I'm not exactly sure why. Alright guys, so the problem I'm running into is the energy management company that I used to have in place for this site is no longer being utilized. Instead, it's going through a different third party. Nobody really knows who that third party is. So I am limited in my controls with this thermostat. I've gone through a couple different programmings, checked the install guide. I can't find anything definitive as to why the thermostat will just turn itself off after a minute or two. So I'm currently waiting on some additional information to see if I can find whoever controls this site. And what I'm about to do is I'm about to just drop a thermostat down the return, sort of an emergency repair, because I can't reach anybody from their corporate office or from their energy management company who can tell me if they do control this location. I'm sure somebody does control this location, I just don't know who, and nobody at this location knows, and nobody at the corporate office knows who controls this location. This is the sometimes this is the downside of doing commercials. You have to try to go through 15 different people just to see who actually controls the thermostat you're standing in front of. But it is what it is, guys. So like I said, what I'm going to do is drop that down the return. I have it set to heat at 74. My fan is set to continuous. No big deal. I've done this a few different times. And what we'll have to do is, as soon as they can tell me who controls this thermostat or who controls the energy management system for this location, then we can come back and properly program their thermostat and set it up the way it should be set up. Because what I assume happened, which I cannot confirm again because I can't reach anybody, but what I assume happened is when they put this work order in, whoever controls the energy management system here, they just went into their system and they shut that thermostat off. That's normally what they do at a lot of these large franchise locations. And when they do that, you sort of get the same symptoms that I showed you guys, where the thermostat just will revert to off mode. Anyway, so I got that set. Let me turn this on. I just want to make sure it does heat. There we go, it just fired up. Let's take this and throw it down the vent before they start getting too cold with all this outside air I'm pulling in. Alright, I'm going to turn this off so I don't fall in there. Let's see. Temperature is rising. 95. It's going to keep on going. That's all for today, guys. I'm going to do a follow-up video on this as soon as I get approval to come back and remove my temporary stat and I guess talk to whoever controls this site.